Hello everyone. From now onwards, we are going to learn big data and Hadoop structure, and we will study about something like Hive, Pig, what are the components of Hadoop, what are the queries that we can do using Hadoop to analyze the big data. Uh, and let's get started. Now, what is big data? Okay. Uh, uh, Let me tell you with how data works and how things works. First of all, uh, in computer what you save is 0, or it's in computer what you save is 0 or 1, or it tends to 1 bit. Okay, 0 or 1, it tends to 1 bit. I'll show you notepad. 0 or 1 is equal to 1 bit. uh, 0 or 1 is equal to 1 bit. Okay, then what else we know? Like this, 1 byte will be around 8 bits. 8 bits is 1 byte. And what is next? 1 KB is uh, 10 raised to 3, 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 bytes. Then next what comes? Next, 1 MB. What is 1 MB? 1 MB is 10 rise KBs. Okay, 1 MB is 10 rise KBs. Next, 1 GB. Next, 1 GB is same thing, 10 rise 10 power 3 MBs. Next what will come? Next, 1 TB. 1 TB is again 10 rise 3 GBs. And what comes after that? 1 petabyte. It's called petabyte or petabyte. It's again 10 rise 3 TBs. Next, what will come? 1 hexabyte or EB. This is equal to 10 raised 3 PBs, means petabytes. So the big data plays with petabytes of data or exabytes of data. Okay, then and what we should know in big data. Then I will talk about what are the V's. So it's here. It's an extremely large set of data that used for analyzing computation to reveal patterns, trends, and something. Then what are the 5 V's of big data? When you come to big data, there are mainly 3 V's: volume, then velocity, then variety. In this article, they are given 5 V's. Let's see what are those. First, volume. In volume, the data in the real world is get stored as some photos, videos, text format, your tweets, your social captions. Then those things are saved as GB, MBs, GBs, then PBs, then EBs. Then We talk about velocity. uh, Velocity is how data is storing. Before it was like some batch wise for storing. Later it became periodically the data was stored to the warehouse. Then it now exactly current time is real time, where you do video chatting, online meeting and all. Then types of data, varieties. There are structured data, there are unstructured data, then there are some graphical data. uh, then other two are veracity. Veracity is the context equivalent to the quality. That is how the data is come. It is actually there are some other noise also, where the data is clean or accurate for valuation to do analysis. Then value. What is value? Value is a top of the big data pyramid. In what value actually tells is, uh, when you get the data from, when you analyze and get the data from big data, how much that value is in really required for the real world. I think these five are the three V's of the five V's of the big data. Then what else we know it for? And we'll see about what are the roles we can do after learning big data. Simply we'll do roles for big data. See, after learning big data, you can be MIS reporting executive, business analyst, business data analyst, data scientist, data engineering. People will be so confused between data analyst and data scientist. I will tell you clearly what data analyst will do. Data analyst with data, he goes backward and he analyze the data of what happened what happened before. What data scientist will do, using that data, and he applies some statistical approach to that, and he will predict the future, and he will do he will give some decision what to do to achieve such a huge impact in the market. I will give you an example. If Amazon, they will take, let me take an example of Amazon. You are data engineer and you will go to Amazon data warehouse and you will collect the data of entire year. So in the entire year you will see there will be, in some months there will be purchase will be increased, more level of purchase. So what you will do, you will study, you will understand why there is more increase in that time. There will be some festivals or maybe some marriage times, or you are given some the discount that time. Or I focus on only on the festivals. In festivals everyone will go for shopping. So what they will do, oh, in this time our company gained so much of sales. So if we give some, again we will, if we add some discount in that time, we can achieve more. So they will think of that, and the data scientist will approach to the company and he will say, if you give this offer, the company will gain more customers, and they will buy more things. So instead of getting 1 billion, getting 1 crore, the customers will get 1.5 crore. So this type of work will be done by data scientist. What data analyst will do? Data analyst will do only using this data. Oh, in this month we have gained this, we have gained this. But data analyst will tell, in this month if you do this, you will get this much. Okay, like that you will do. Now what we will see, I will explain how big data came into existence, how big data came, how it will actually uh, again I will go back to paint. Okay, see, let I will be, this is a man. Okay, uh, he opens one company, a startup, hotel, company, a shop, anything. Okay, he will, he maintain one record book for all, like for all the transaction he made uh, in this hotel, and he will save that. So he gain profit, then again he will do one more branch, same thing, he will save in that book, again he will do one more, then he will save here. So next he will instead of writing in, so instead of writing in a record book, now we will use computer, using computer, using some software, using some software, he stores here, he stores here, he stores here. This will become, this database will become data warehouse for him. Again, now he gain more profit, he go online transaction, then he go mobile apps, so you go mobile apps, everything will get stored to the warehouse. So as and as the data increases, the data in the warehouse will also increases. So the pressure on one system will increase. So what he will do, he will buy one Hadoop system. So what Hadoop will do, Hadoop will make one master computer, and it will distribute the data over other slave computers. So it will distribute the data other slave computers. See, these are all slave computers. This is a master computer. Master computer will have all the information about the slave computer. Slave computer really stores the data from the warehouse. So this is how the, when warehouse is when data warehouse is converted to Hadoop system. Now we will see how actually the flow of big data works. First we will get some real-time data. We'll get okay, I'm bad at this. Okay, I will go for again notepad, sorry. First what we'll get, it will get some real-time data. So what real-time data will do, real-time data are pre-processed, means these real-time data are pre-processed using some queries, using some, there are tools in Hadoop, so we can use them to query them, to analyze the real-time data. Using after querying, what we will do, we will make reports of that. We will make reports of that, and we will give those report to company or the government or to the people. So now we will take some real-time data. If there is noise or some anything, first we will clean the data. After data is cleaned, we process the data, means analyzation techniques are used. After processing data, we'll go for visualization, where you can show in graphs, uh, using pie charts, a bar graph or line graph. After that, we will make a report over the data, and data is given back to the company or to the government or to people. So this is how the big data thing works. In further classes, we will study what is structure of Hadoop system, how really works. Thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.